Okay, hip extension. So what we're going to get Jackson to do is going to come down into the lunge position. We're going to open up for our hip extension. We want to make sure that knee is in line with the hip, as always. From there, we're rotating the hips underneath, so a posterior tilt to get a bit of a stretch for the front of the hip. Then he's going to squeeze the hell out of his butt, and from there he's going to slightly push forward from the hip bone to get an even deeper stretch. He's going to really hold and contract that position for about 2 seconds, let it all go. Once again, rotate, squeeze, push, hold and contract for 2 seconds, let it go. We're going to do that consistently on and off for 1 minute. Straight away, after open up his right leg, he's going to come up onto his right leg and do some single leg balance work, because we've opened up this position now, so now we want to actively use it. So, balancing on that right leg, making sure foot is straight, leg is straight, squeeze the butt. And now also he's going to pull up the opposite knee to build the hip flexor strength. Going to try and keep that knee as high as possible for that whole minute. You can find it coming down, but that's going to build up over time the more you do this. Squeeze the butt, telling the brain that we're in a good position. Okay, that's hip extension.